with the Best Buy blog. You just heard Roland's newest kit, the TD-07. Obviously, Roland's reputation is made. It's been around for a long time. Everybody loves these kits, and the TD-07 is no exception to that rule. There's actually 4 different models of the TD-07. I got the KX. There's 3 other ones, and I mentioned them and their differences in my full review on Best Buy's blog if you want to check it out. One of the main features of this kit is the 12-inch snare. It's awesome. It has a lot of surface to play on. It really feels like an authentic, acoustic snare. And it's 2 zones, so you get nice loud rim shots if you want. There's also 3 8-inch toms, and you get 3 cymbals, the CY8 cymbals, so you get 2 crashes in a ride. The hi-hat is controlled by a separate pedal, and there's also a kick tower, so you can really lay into your kick drum, no problem. The module is really well organized. It doesn't have like a ton of buttons, but there's a ton of features in it, and everything is really well laid out, and the controls are really intuitive and easy to use, so that helps a lot with the flow of things. There's 25 preset kits that Roland made, and they're built out of 143 different individual instruments. So I recorded some more samples, so here's 3 more kits for you. So in addition to the 25 preset kits, you can actually create your own. You'll have 143 different instruments to choose from to place them on each, on each piece of the kit. And every little thing is editable. It's actually quite surprising how much stuff they have included in the module. You can tailor the EQ to your liking. You can tune the heads however you want them, and you can add some effects to every single instrument. And one of my favorite features is that you can actually edit the room setting and the overhead mics, so you really get a nice feeling that you're in some sort of environment. You don't have that dry drum sound. You really get the feeling that you're actually playing in a room, and everything is reverberating around you, so it adds like a lot of realism to the experience. Other than that, there is a Bluetooth connection, which makes things so easy. If you just want to jam along to your favorite songs on the kit, you can just connect it, play a song on your phone, and off you go. It's really simple. There's no wires to connect. Nothing is in the way. It's very convenient. Furthermore, there is a USB connection, so you can connect to your computer to play with different libraries or just record, so that's also very convenient. And last but not least, the infamous drum coach is back. Well, it's always there, I think, with Roland. It's a great feature if you're just learning and working on your timekeeping skills. It's gonna, for example, the first mode, it tells you how close you are to the beat, how exact you are, so it kind of gives you a visual reference, which speeds your progression along. There's also the quiet mode, which I recorded an example of. The quiet mode will make you play along to a click, and then it will stop the click, so you're just playing by yourself, and after 1, 2, or 4 measures, you can set it in the module. The click is going to come back, and it's going to tell you how close or maybe how far you are from the regular beat. So it's a really excellent way to work on your inner time. I think it's one of the best ways, actually. So actually, demonstrate this in the next part of this video. So those are the main features of the Roland TD-07. I think this is a great choice for many different kind of drummers. If you already play drums and you want something, quiet and that won't disturb your whole neighborhood while you play, this is really a great choice. It has that 12-inch snare, so you get like a lot of surface to play on. The mesh heads, obviously, on Roland are great. They feel great. The bounce is really realistic. So it's really a no-brainer for people that already play drums and they're looking for something that's a lot quieter. Um, for beginners, this is an excellent place to start. It has like a really similar, it's very close to the real thing, so you'll develop your technique accordingly. It sounds great. It's like future proof. I mean, if you fall in love with the drums as soon as you start, this is gonna last you a lifetime. Roland makes consistently great products, especially in the electronic drum kits. So it's really a good choice even if you're just starting out. Yeah, so if you want more information about the TD-07 by Roland, please go read my full review on Best Buy's blog. My name is Nick. Thank you so much for watching.